I love yakitori. What I don't love is the expensive gatekeeping surrounding it. I mean, the cheapest yakitori grill I found was like for $50. And also, that's not including the just as expensive Binchotan charcoal that's just as needed. But thankfully, I found a way to satisfy both your tummy and your wallet. Let me show you how to make a wonderful DIY yakitori grill without taking a second mortgage on your house. Alright, before we take care of our chicken, let's take care of our onions. And if you want to prep these for yakitori, there's a specific way you gotta do it. Alright, make sure the bottoms are all even, or as even as you can get them. Slice them off. Then feel around until the onions start to get kind of soft. Right here. Oh, and whatever you do, don't throw these away. Alright, then chop our whites in half lengthwise. And let's set these aside. Alright, and now finally we can get to the... I'm not going to make the joke. It's not funny anymore, even in an ironic meta sense. Anyway, here I have 2 pounds of chicken thigh, which, as you can see, they've already come deboned. That's what you're saying? Why can't you just buy whole chicken thighs and just debone them? Hey, look at this reaction. I feel good, baby. So yeah, first thing gotta go are the skins. Next, let's take our chicken and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Something no larger than this. Jeez, Mom. I didn't do a good job deboning this. Okay, our chicken's cubed, our onions are cut, and our skin is... insert Silence of the Lambs reference.
Hello, Clarice.
Now time to skewer our ingredients like they were Chinese people in Imperial Japan. And yes, I am aware of the irony. Anyway, you'll need wooden skewers, obviously, but not any wooden skewer. I recommend these brand of Weber wooden skewers. Not sponsored, by the way. They're nice and thick enough to hold up to any weight. And they have this little flat part here, so you can use as a handle. So let's get to impaling. So, for chicken first, move it about 2/3 down. Then, take a piece of green onion. Skewer it until it hits the bottom. Then alternate with another piece of chicken. If the chicken is looking a bit thin, you can go ahead and pop on another layer. Alright, and let's plate up our skewer. Alright, all of our skewers are ready. Make sure the skewers are top heavy and leave some space right here between the handle and the rest of the chicken. Alright, and it's now time for the sauce. Or tare for my waifu pillow possessors. Alright, I have here a gas burning stove. Let's turn it on to heat. And you're probably wondering, where's the bones CRJ mentioned earlier? Why, right here. And what we're going to do with the bones is give them a nice char. Okay, once they're nice and charred like this, take them off the stove. And... okay, our chicken bones are nice and burnt to a crisp. And now we can actually take care of the tare. So I have here a 2-quart sauce pot. Let's add 1 cup of soy sauce, half a cup of sake, and half a cup of mirin. Let's also add half a cup of sugar. And let's add the tops of our green onions, which we saved from earlier. And our chicken bones, and toss in a few scrap pieces of chicken, if you have any. Bring this to a boil over high heat. Alright, once it comes to a boil, reduce the heat down to low, and reduce it by half. Alright, our tare is reduced by half, so kill the heat, and let's filter everything into a bowl. That's good tare. No, I did not become quadriplegic in between shoots. I can't squat for too long, and this is the closest chair I could find. Also, mind the baby toys. They're my nieces, I swear. As we all know, yakitori is charcoal grilled. Specifically with a type of charcoal called binchotan. One problem, it's too expensive and too finicky to ignite. So instead, we're going to go with the next best thing. Natural lump charcoal. When cooking yakitori, we need high heat, so natural charcoal. They say you need binchotan because it provides better flavor. They're just in the pocket of big binchotan. Anyway, let's place our charcoal into a chimney. Excuse me one moment. Okay, let's get to lighting this puppy. I have here some napkins. I'm going to douse these in oil under our chimney and light this baby up. Okay, you should be seeing smoke. That's a good sign. I'm going to let it do its thing. Alright, while our charcoal heats up, let's take care of our grilling station. I have here a terracotta bowl. Yeah, unlike the last time, I made a makeshift Japanese grill out of stuff I bought at Home Depot. This is a bowl, not a pot. Because when it comes to yakitori, surface area is more important than depth. Yeah, yakitori is into shallow girls. If that's not a match made in hell, I don't know what is. Whether you go with a pot or a bowl, they always have a hole at the bottom. Nothing a little aluminum foil can't fix. As for the grill, just buy a pizza screen. And yes, link in the description, don't worry. Yeah, and this time I actually set it in real life instead of in post. Alright, our charcoal is ready. I can tell because it's blazing hot. And also, it's white around the edges. That's when you know it's ready. So, thankfully, my chimney has a little bottom dump. And let's get to cooking. Alright, and while they're grilling, let's pour on our sauce. Glaze the other side. Alright, here's what you're looking for. Golden brown with some char on it. Done cooked. Alright, and once everything's done cooking, let's transfer it to a plate. And there you go, folks. A wonderful yakitori grill for $30. But does it pass the taste test? I think it does. This has been Jay's Cuttin Kitchen. I'm CRJ, making cooking fun. And meaning it this time. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you really like the video, become a subscriber and hit the bell notification icon. I upload every Monday. Don't forget to support me on Patreon and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. Jeez, you move the day of the week and everything's out of whack.